Hello, everyone. I would like to share a fatal accident with you today regarding the operation of a sliding gate and remind you of relevant preventive measures. Let's look at the circumstances of the accident. On the day of the accident, an employee was closing a sliding metal gate at the entrance of an estate. When he was pushing the gate, it derailed and pressed him to death. Let's see the causes of the accident. The gate was equipped with end plates to prevent it from derailing due to over-traveling. However, no one noticed that the end plates had been damaged in the absence of regular inspection and maintenance for the gate. How to prevent the accident? The employer should ensure the gate is equipped with suitable and effective devices, such as end plates and stoppers, to prevent the gate from over-traveling. The employer should regularly inspect, maintain, and repair the gate and all its components, including end plates, rollers, and tracks, to ensure the gate is in good condition. The employer should provide safety information, instruction, and training to the employees, and establish an effective irregularity reporting system. If the gate is found to be abnormal during operation, the management must be notified for repairs immediately. In addition, it is also necessary to ensure that the employees are familiar with the safe operation procedures of the gate. The employer should also establish an effective monitoring system to ensure the above-mentioned safety measures are strictly followed. A safe gate saves lives.